received a COS file from a fellow photographer and need to apply their editing presets? This is a settings file from one of the top professional raw processing applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Capture One settings files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any COS file. Let's try the simple solutions first. COS files are settings files for Capture One, the professional raw photo editing application developed by Phase 1. They contain saved editing adjustments including exposure, correction color grading, white balance, sharpening noise reduction lens, correction, and local adjustment settings that can be applied as presets to other photographs. Capture One. COS settings files use a proprietary format, storing the complete editing parameter state from a Capture One session or catalog image. Each parameter records its adjustment value, including curve points, color editor modifications, local adjustment masks, brush data, and output recipe configurations for the processed image. When viewing the file metadata, the COS shows a direct link to Capture One from Capture One AS. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot detect misuse of parameters, so editing without guidance can cause issues. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the COS file and choose Open With. Prioritize Capture One if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. If the COS file is still refusing to open, it's expected. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the COS problem. First, importing settings. Open Capture One and navigate to the Adjustments menu, then select Copy and Apply Adjustments. Use the Styles function to import COS files as reusable presets. Drag the COS file into the Styles panel, or use the Import function to add it to your preset library for application to any image in your catalog. Next, applying to photos. Select one or more images in your Capture One catalog or session and apply the COS settings through the Styles and Presets panel. Click the preset name to apply all saved adjustments. Use the checkboxes to selectively apply only specific adjustment categories such as color exposure or sharpening from the preset. Finally, creating custom presets. Develop your own COS presets by editing an image in Capture One to achieve your desired look, then saving the adjustments as a style. Select which adjustment types to include in the preset. Save and share COS files with other photographers to distribute consistent editing looks across a team or publication. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. File Magic is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at File Magic. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.